Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Dinner's not ready yet. I'm waiting for my salmon dinner. It's in the toaster oven over here. So I'm making some salmon in foil, a baked potato, and I'm gonna have a salad on the side. It's a little healthier dinner. So let me show you guys. Alright guys, here's my salmon dinner. See that foil right there, and on the right there on that side there's a baked potato. I don't know if you guys can see that. But that's my dinner. I'm gonna have a salad. So I have to wait another 20 minutes for this salmon dinner to cook. So I'll get back to you in 20 more minutes. Alright guys, dinner's ready. The salmon's ready. Alright guys, I got this camera, this new camera. I don't even know how this camera works. I noticed that this is not focusing very well. But I don't know why this is not focusing. I don't know. I don't know anything about these new tech cameras, but let's try this salmon. It's really good. I love it. Alright, hope you guys are having a good day. What we have here is salmon, baked potato, and salad. It's pretty good. It's really good. Why won't this focus though? Like, why won't this focus? I like the salad at Whole Foods, so it's super healthy. It's good. That's really good. The salmon's really good. Baked it in the oven with some foil. And basically, it has like maple syrup and garlic and spices. It's really good. It's so good. Oh yeah. Alright, I think I fixed my camera where you can see a little bit more, but let me just show you. I don't have much salmon left. There's the salmon, baked potato, and the salad. I think if the focus a little bit better. This camera is so confusing. Guys, I haven't had a camera like this in a while. So, the salad's really good. It has beets in. There's some beets in here. It's really good. Baked potato's really good. So yeah, guys, I hope you're having a good evening. It's evening time right now. And it's really late. It's like almost 9, guys. It's so busy night tonight. But I was craving salmon. I was really craving salmon, baked potato, and asparagus, but I didn't have asparagus at the store, so I've got a salad. This baked potato, guys, is so, let me show you, it's so, like, crunchy. Let me show you guys. It's like, I cooked it a little bit too much, but it's really moist inside. That's really good. I love it. So I have a special way to make my baked potatoes, make them really crispy on the outside and really moist on the inside. Guess what I do is I get a potato and I poke it with some holes with the fork and I put some olive oil over it and I sprinkle it with some salt and I bake it in not foil, and it tastes amazing. It's really good. It's really good that way. You may not hear my sister yelling at the kids right now. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but you might be able to hear that. So there's another video in the bedroom, guys. I don't like to film in my bedroom because I just don't like the ambience of it. I don't know. I like more of a kitchen feel, or my office is pretty cool to film. But I literally just cooked this food, believe it or not, in my bedroom, guys. I have a toaster oven right here. And then, yeah, that's pretty much how I bake my food right there. So, yeah. Did another video in my bedroom. I want to see about... So guys, I did another video in my bedroom. I do want to see if there's a difference from my iPhone to this camera. I don't know. This camera is really frustrating to me. So, got really good reviews on Amazon, but I'm just learning how to use it. So I'm trying. That's good. So, here is a healthy meal, guys. I'll be getting some requests to do healthy meals. So, hope you are enjoying it. Oh yeah. Really good. I love salmon, guys. I don't eat a lot of fish. Me and my mom a few weeks ago, we went to Sausalito. She got some sole and I had it, but it was really good. So I'm thinking about making some sole next time. I'm not sure how to make it, but I'm going to try. The salad's really good. The dressing's like balsamic vinegar. It's really good dressing. Oh yeah. So I think a lot of people right now are eating healthy because it's the new year. You know. I think it's good to eat healthy. Okay, saving the best for last, guys. Baked potato. I just love baked potatoes. Guys, nothing like a home cooked meal, right? Nothing like look at the camera. There's like blue flashing on my hair. I don't know what that's about. I don't know. Oh yeah. Wow guys, that was amazing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this healthy mukbang video. I just feel really good right now. Eating healthy makes me feel so good, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!